Hey guys, okay, so today I'm going to be showing you some math in Minecraft. Yes, okay, so let's get started. Okay, here's our first thing. Now, this is a quadratic formula. A lot of people aren't really used to this, but the standard form of the equation is ax squared plus, ax squared plus 2 plus b plus bx plus c. Now, to get it into the quadratic formula, you will need to find a, b, and c in your equation using the standard form. So now that you have your a, b, and c, you will now put it into the standard form, the equation for quadratic function. Now, the equation for the quadratic function is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now another way to find zeros using this problem, x squared plus 2x plus 3x minus 10. Now we're going to add to get 3 and multiply to get 10. That's our equation again. It's negative 10, by the way. Now we're putting our x squared in the first box and our negative 10 in the second box. Now we're going to move on to finding the two other remaining boxes. You're going to do this by finding what adds to get 3 and a number that adds to get and that multiplies to get 10. Now that we have those numbers, which is negative 2 and positive 5, we will put them in our remaining boxes, negative 2x and 5x. Now, we're going to go through each column and row and finding each lowest common factor for both. Now, for that column, it would be 2. For this column, it would probably be 1 because 1 can only go into 1 and 1 can go into 5 as well. Same with the other column. Now for this one, this row, we will be doing 2 because 1 goes into 2 and 1, And then the other column would be 5. Now our answer would be 2x minus 2 and x plus 5. Now to find the x's, we would do the equality thing. Okay, now we're going to do an example of the function. We're going to launch different mobs and spawns from a high point to show a vertex from the top, the maximum point, to the bottom. Now I'm going to spawn a couple things. That was a husk, and now here's a cod, or multiple cods. Yes, multiple cods. And now here's a creeper. Now I'm just going to push him over the edge, and you can see he goes right into the end portal. Just like that. Now I gotta get back up. And now I'm going to spawn another creeper. Oh, I'm going to spawn drowned now. Obviously they burn when they're in daylight or not in water. And you can just see they fall. And now that was craziness. Spawning an enderman into the end. Now we're gonna try a chicken. Yeah, no, I know they can fly and do a low thing, but it still works. Spawn multiple chickens. Yes, kill the chickens. Ha 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 ha. The last one. One more. Now we're gonna spawn in a cow. Now a sheep. There's multiple examples, as you can see. And I'm just gonna spawn some random things, and this shows how your example from if you're skydiving like in real life, then you can go from a very high point to a very low point, and this can be shown by a vertex that intercepts at y. you might have jumped off, or you might have, yeah, so it just depends where it is, but that's a very good example. Okay, now I'm going to show you another example by like throwing a snowball in the air, and throw a couple snowballs, and you can also see the parabola that it makes. It doesn't just shoot right up, it shoots up and then it kind of curves and then it goes down, like as if you were to throw one up in the air. Now I'm going to try with an egg, which is the same basic concept, but it's a different shape, I guess. It's different material, or, you know, or velocity or whatever. And also this blue thing. Obviously the blue things don't shoot up very high, but trial and error. Couple of snowballs. Now 2 snowballs and 2 eggs and a snowball. And a lot more, just so you can see if you add more power and more velocity to something, then it will change your parabola. Now I'm going to show you oh, never mind. This is the end of the video. Hey guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.